Have you ever felt frustrated when trying to grow your Twitch channel and nothing seems to be working? You've watched your tips videos, you've improved your Twitch stream, you've like, bruh, I even put channel points on there, like what more can I ask for? And nothing seems to be working. It's like, what up, Twitch? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you something pretty epic that you can do right now to give your Twitch channel the exposure that it deserves. So, let's do this. Hey there friends, my name is Slojo and I'm a Twitch streamer just like you, and that means that I get you. I feel you. I understand your frustration. I understand the grind and the marathon that Twitch is when it comes to its growth, and even sometimes you'll look at other people and they just explode and you're like, but how? What am I doing wrong? Eventually I reached a point where I stopped saying, but why am I not growing, to, but how can I grow? And that's probably what actually led you to this video saying, how can I grow my Twitch channel? Well, the amazing thing is right now there's a gold mine of opportunity on YouTube, and that is YouTube Shorts. And it's a pretty awesome opportunity simply because YouTube is punting this feature. It's like, bruh, if you upload to me, I'll feed you to the algorithm. Nice. I'll give you all of the exposure you want. Just upload YouTube Shorts. And so I did. I tried it. I was like, let's see how this goes. I actually created a separate channel just for my YouTube Shorts, because I was like, cool, let's test this. Let's test this from 0 subscribers and see how it does. Does this actually even work? I posted 5 YouTube Shorts, and the first 2 didn't do so good. The first one got 20 views, the second one got 449 views, but then 1,862 views. Next video, 2,056 views. And then after that, 426 views. A channel with 0 subscribers and pretty much 15-second clips. Pretty cool. That was 4,000 views more than I ever had on Twitch. So, and I mean, since it included my Twitch content anyways, it was like, hey yo, you enjoyed this clip, why not come back to my stream later? So that's literally the one thing you as a Twitch streamer need to do right now to give your channel the exposure that it deserves. So this is what I'm going to need you to do. Go to your Twitch channel, find your favorite clips that maybe other people have made, or scrub through your old streams and find funny parts. And what I'm going to need you to do is download those clips and create a nice and neat file structure, pretty please, like separated by game, by genre, so that you have a whole library of content to pick and choose from. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to make a YouTube short together. How about that? Step by step. I'll also explain how the YouTube Shorts works and why some succeed and why some don't. So yeah. And the second thing I'm going to need you to do is go and make yourself a cup of coffee, cup of tea. I got my tea now. That's because it's really late now in South Africa. So too much caffeine, I won't sleep. Let me know you're a tea person or a coffee person. I personally prefer coffee. Delicious. But anyways, you can click or tap the screen to the part 2 of this, and guess what? I'll see you there.